Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let us see how to prepare a cost sheet. The question is on the screen. Kindly take the screenshot of the question because when I am solving the problem, please look into the question. That time you will not have any confusion. So now we need to calculate the cost sheet. This is the format. On top we need to mention that cost sheet for the year ending, cost sheet for the year ending 31st March 2023. Here as usual you will write particulars column, then on both the side we will write amount column. First what we are having opening stock of raw materials. So here you will write opening stock of raw materials. How much is the opening stock of raw materials? See the question, it is 47,000. Next, for this we need to add materials purchased. For this you need to suppose to add materials purchased. How much is the materials purchased? It is 2,08,000. Materials purchased is 2,08,000. Now for this you need to add carriage inward. Now to bring the raw materials from shop to your factory, you will take a tempo. So for that charges is known as carriage inwards. How much it is? 8,200. Now when you add all these three things, you will get 2,63,200. Now from this you need to deduct the closing stock of raw materials. You need to deduct closing stock of raw materials. How much is the closing stock of raw materials? It is 45,000. Now deduct 45,000 from this 2,63,200. We will get, that is 2,18,200. Now what is this? This is nothing but our cost of material consumed. Cost of material consumed. Now for this you need to add the production wages. We need to add production wages. How much is the production wages? It is 1,45,000. Now add 2,18,200, then 1,45,000. We will get, that is 3,63,200. This is our prime cost. So we have finished our first step in preparing the cost sheet, that is to find out the prime cost. Now what is the next procedure? We need to add all the factory overheads. Factory overheads. What and all the factory overheads we are having? First one we are having rent and rates related to factory. How much is the rent and rate related to factory? It is 3,000. Then we have drawing office salaries. Drawing office salaries. So this is a book production company. So of course drawing is required creativity. So those people you would have hired for your factory, those people's salaries are known as drawing office salaries. How much is drawing office salaries? It is 9,600. Next we have depreciation. Depreciation on plant and tools. We are having depreciation on plant and tools. How much is the depreciation amount? It is 9,100. Then we are having repairs of plant, machinery and tools. So we have these three items. How much is it? It is 8,600. Next we are having factory gas and power, means gas and water charges related to factory. Gas and water charges. How much it is? 1,000. Next we are having factory manager's salary. We are having factory manager's salary. How much is a factory manager's salary? It is 11,250. Now add 3,000, 9,600, 9,100, 8,600, 1,000, 11,250. We will get 42,550. We will get how much? 42,550. Now add 3,63,200 with 42,550. We will get 4,05,750. What is this? This is our factory cost or work cost. This 4,05,750 is known as factory cost or our work cost. Now for this we need to add administration overhead. We are supposed to add administration overhead. Now see the question everyone. What and all the administration overhead we are having? First one is rent, rate and taxes related to office. We are having rents, rates and taxes which are related to office. So rent, rates and taxes related to offices. How much it is? It is 1,000 rupees. Next we are having, that is depreciation on furniture. Here we will write depreciation on furniture. How much is the depreciation on furniture? It is 600 rupees. Next we are having director's fees. How much is the director's fees? It is 6,000 rupees. Next we are having gas and water charges which are related to office. How much it is? 1,050. Next we have, that is general charges. General charges. How much is the general charges? It is 11,000. Now add all these 5 items. When you add this 1,600, 6,000, 1,050 and 11,000, we will get 19,650. Now add 4,05,750 with 19,650. We will be getting 4,25,400. Now what is this 4,25,500? It is our cost of production. It is our cost of production. Next, what is the procedure? We need to add selling and distribution overhead. We need to add selling and distribution overhead. Yes. Now please look into the question. What and all the selling and distribution overheads we are having? Counting house salaries. Counting house means, see here, counting means some people would have kept to count the stock which is there in the warehouses. Those people will come under selling and distribution overhead. So we will be taking counting house salaries. How much is counting house salaries? It is 14,000. Then to deliver the goods to the customers, you would have taken a carriage, that is carriage outwards. How much it is? 5,100. Then bad debts you will have. Bad debts is 4,700. Then we will be having traveling expenses. We are having traveling expenses is how much rupees? 3,700. Then we are having traveling salaries. How much is the traveling salaries? It is 7,800. Now add all these things. We will get 35,300. How much is this 35,300? This is, when we add all these things, we will get 35,300. Now add 35,300 with 4,25,400. We will get 4,60,700. What is this 4,60,700? It is our cost of sales. It is cost of sales. Now I am adjusting it in single page because it will be easy for you to understand. So don't get confused. Next we have sales value. What is the value of sales? The value of sales is rupees 4,87,000. 4,87,000. Now we need to find out the profit. So what is the formula for finding out profit? It is sales minus cost of sales, which means 4,87,000 minus 4,60,700. When you subtract that, we will get 26,300. This is our profit. Hope you have understood this video very well. The notes for this are put in the first comment. Kindly download the notes and study well. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.